Yeah, interesting. So you talk about the fact that when you started with programming, you were not thinking about okay, I'll be able to build really amazing things. But this is something that you understood only recently, and at an early stage maybe it came out of a need to automate the things that you don't want to do yourself, right? So what exactly is it about programming in general that you want to pursue it, or you're passionately wanting to learn more and more every single day about it? So is it more about the process of programming that kind of pulls you, like you lose your sense of time, or is it just about the possibility of building great things? Maybe in the future you could do anything you want, like you also mentioned before. So like what
Yeah.
of these things is it now for you?
Well, I believe I have the same feeling from the beginning, which is programming for me is a tool. So like I believe you can have pleasure. I also have pleasure on programming just for programming. Or I don't know, you have some coding test and you do that just for the fun. I also like that, love that. But the main use for me is using coding and software development as a tool in order to build something that someone else can use. And that's the thing that I like the most as of now. So building something that I could give to you and say, hey, Chandan, here is the thing that I built. You can try it out and give me your feedback on it. And it's really awesome to get these users feedback. Usually they are not happy with whatever you deliver them, and it's great because they being not happy with what you delivered is the best way that you have to improve what you did and provide them and to the next people that are going to provide something a better experience. So yeah, I think what I like the most is okay, I want to build things that people will use. And
Yeah.
the more that I can learn to build better things so that people can use them in a better way is the better.